Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a quick tutorial on how to program the tags on a Royal register, and the model number on this one is 210DX. Let's start with the tutorial. First step you want to do is you want to shift it on the program, then you want to press 1, tag shift. Then you want to enter the amount of tax, which is I'm going to be using 7.5%. We enter 7,500. Then you want to press amount 10. After you do that, you want to press 001. Then you want to click on check. And the next step you want to do, you want to press 1. Then you want to hit the button you want to program for the tax. After do that, we're going to be testing it. You can put it on regular, then we're going to ring up $10, then click the tax button, then it will give you the amount, which is $10.75. This is it guys, this concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to check out my other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.